two AI video giants face off. Heygen or Jogg AI? Which one really delivers? On the left, Heygen, the affordable AI avatar powerhouse. And on the right, Jogg AI, a premium quality AI video creator built for brands. Let's skip the buzzwords and see how these platforms really perform. Each category earns points, so you'll know exactly who takes the lead. The winner might surprise you. Quick pause. Here's our mind map for today. We're comparing these platforms across all the stuff that matters: pricing, avatar quality, video length, use cases, features and flexibility, and target audience. We'll go one by one, so you get the full picture before making any big moves. Okay, first category, pricing. So Heygen comes in swinging with a super accessible $29 per month. And check this out, you get unlimited video creation. Seriously, best value for money out there right now. The catch? You might find it missing a few premium bells and whistles, but hey, who's complaining at that price? Now, Jogg AI isn't crazy expensive, but sits higher at $39 to $69 per month. Yeah, you get unlimited videos too, but the price is a step up. It's definitely more of an investment, so you'll want to be sure you need those extra perks. Winner here is pretty clear, right? Heygen takes the crown for affordability. Let's talk avatar quality, because honestly, this part is just cool. Heygen gives you high-quality avatars, seamless lip syncing, and a pretty extensive library. But real talk, the output looks awesome, but it's slightly lower quality compared to Jogg. Now, Jogg AI, oh, and here's something cool. They go all out for superior visual fidelity. Their avatars look super realistic, which is amazing if you want that true-to-life presence. Fewer customization options, though, so you kind of trade off flexibility for quality. Jogg AI nudges ahead here for top-tier avatar visuals. Next up, video length. If you need long videos, Heygen's got you covered. You can go up to 30 minutes per video. Yeah, you heard me. Makes it perfect for long-form stuff like training sessions, detailed explainers, you name it. No strict limitations either. Jogg AI, on the flip side, maxes out at 15 minutes. That's great for TikTok style or quick product videos, but maybe not so hot for deep dive training. So Heygen wins for anyone needing more runtime. So, quick breather, both platforms, they're honestly leading the AI video revolution in 2025. No matter which one catches your eye, it's wild how far this tech has come. Moving on to use cases. Heygen shines for corporate stuff, communications, training, social, educational content, the works. Sure, it's less specialized for ads, but it's versatile. Jogg AI is all about UGC-style ads, e-commerce marketing, TikTok, and product videos. If you're a DTC brand or an e-com marketer, this is literally built for you. Not as strong for corporate training, though. Honestly, it's a tie. Both platforms are champs in their own lane. Let's jump into features and flexibility. Heygen pulls out all the stops with custom avatar cloning, multi-scene support, API automation, and face swapping. Super cool if you want to get technical or customize everything. The only thing, there's a steeper learning curve. Jogg AI's standout is its product URL to video, deep brand customization, and super user-friendly interface, which makes the process a breeze. Fewer advanced features and limited API options, though. So, while Jogg is easier to use, Heygen snags the edge with those powerhouse features. And finally, target audience. Heygen is made for agencies, creators, startups, businesses. Pretty much anyone on the marketing grind. Might feel overwhelming if you're just stepping into AI video for the first time. As for Jogg AI, it's the go-to for DTC brands, e-commerce peeps, social creators, and advertisers. Not as enterprise-ready, but it gets the job done for its core users. No clear winner. Both hit their sweet spot for who they're made for. All right, let's take a look at this radar chart. That's right. You can see the whole comparison at a glance. Heygen's spikes in pricing, video length, and feature set, while Jogg AI dominates avatar quality. Pretty balanced, but some clear standouts. If I had to pick, Heygen comes out on top for anyone who needs affordable, versatile AI video, the kind of tool that agencies, creators, and businesses can really use. But hey, if premium avatar quality and e-commerce focused content are your jam, Jogg AI is the one. Both bring something unique to the table. It just depends on what matters most to you. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.